Toyota Estima ACR50 installed for Convex Android Master Series 8-core processor, 2GB RAM and 16GB ROM. So 9-inch with good fitting OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. Radio, connect back steering control, music, navigation, Waze, full menu, App Store for download application, setting, network to connect Wi-Fi, share hotspot to player, storage, 16GB storage, language setting, so maps, Google Maps, wallpaper, File Explorer to manage your application, Easy Connect for mirroring selected model, Bluetooth music, aux input and aux output, so car setting, for handbrake, motion, video motion, radio, backlight, system setting, factory reset setting, system update, factory setting. Cloud TV, third-party application for watching TV, YouTube, phone call, Bluetooth phone call, video. Toyota Estima ACR50. So install for Convex Android Master Player 8-core processor, 2GB RAM and 16GB ROM. Installed by 1BIS. Thank you.